Hello guys, welcome to another video. Today I'll discuss you the objective type of question on the topic of sexual reproduction in flowering plants. Let's come to the question. First one, when pollen tube enters through the funiculus or integument, it is called as mesogamy. Because in porogamy, the pollen tube entered the ovule through the micropyle. Also, it is the most common route in angiosperm. In chalezogamy, in this case, the pollen tube entered through the base of the ovule or the chalaza. Example in casuarina. Then in isogamy, it is a reproductive system where all gametes are morphologically similar, particularly in terms of size, and there is no separation in male and female gametes. Examples algae in eulothrix, etc. Then come to the next question. Perisperm in angiospermic seed is derived from nucellus because perisperm is the nutritive tissue surrounding the embryo in certain seeds and developing from the nucellus of the ovule. So the answer is perisperm in angiospermic seed is derived from the nucellus. In ovule meiosis occur in megaspore mother cells. Then the fourth one, the fusion product of polar nuclei and male gamete is primary endosperm nucleus because it is a triplet structure which form the endosperm. So the answer is primary endosperm nucleus. Then come to the next question. The secondary nucellus, after fusing with one of the two male gametes, develop into endosperm. Then the sixth one, if an endosperm cells of an angiosperm contain 24 chromosomes, the number of chromosomes in each cell of root will be, here the endosperm is triploid in nature, so that is 3n. Here the question is, if the endosperm cells of an angiosperm contains 24 chromosomes, then 3n equal to 24. Then n is 24 by 3. Then answer is 8. Then each cell of the root structure represent the diploid condition in the plants. That is diploid. Diploid means that is 2n. Then if n is 8, then 2n equal to 8 into 2 equal to 16. Then here the answer is 16. Then come to the next question. Ovule is attached to placenta by a slender stalk called because funicle is a short stalk through which the ovule is adhered to the placenta. Then the pedicels, it is a stalk of a flower by which it is attached to the stem of the plant. Then the petiole, it is a stalk of leaf by which it is attached to the stem. So the correct answer is the funicle. The next question is, in angiosperm embryo sac represent female gametophyte because in female gametophyte also known as the embryo sac of the angiosperm. Come to the next question. When micropyle, chalaza and hilum lie in a straight line, the ovule is said to be. It is called orthotropous, because in anatropous the body of the ovule become completely inverted during the development, so that the micropyle lie very close to the hilum. In orthotropous, the body of the ovule is erect or straight. In amphitropous, the body of the ovule is very much curved, that the embryo sac and the ovule itself it take the shape of a horseshoe. And in campylotropous, the body of the ovule is curved or bent, so that the micropyle and chalaza do not lie in some straight line. So here the answer is orthotropous. Come to the next question. In angiosperm, free nuclear division occurred during endosperm development, because free nuclear division occur in primary endosperm nucleus that give rise to the nutritive tissue or the endosperm. If we see in a coconut, the endosperm formation includes multiple nuclear division with or without partial deposition of the cell wall. So the answer is endosperm development. Then come to the next question. Apomixis in plant means development of a plant that without fusion of a gametes, because in apomixis is a form of asexual reproduction that mimics sexual reproduction, but it doesn't involve meiosis and fertilization. So here the answer is without fusion of gametes. Then the next question. In mature ovule, if hilum is close to micropyle, then ovule is, here the answer is anatropous. Thank you.